Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Tej. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. So I'm going to discuss in this video a very important topic that if I start learning English in 2024, then how would I start? So this is very important topic, and the people who wanted to speak English and now they are going to start in 2025, they can follow these steps to become a fluent. So first I'm going to talk what you should do, how you should start. So first, start learning grammar. I will not say that you need to learn very deep grammar, very comprehensive grammar. You need to just learn the basic grammar, like what is a tense, what is a noun, pronoun, a basic information you should have, because we are going to learn the language after being adult. When we were kid, if we would be learning the language and if we had ambience, like if the people were speaking English, then we had not required to learn the grammar. But once you become your adult, and after that when you are going to learn English as a second language, then it becomes much important for you guys to know the basic grammar. I'm not saying you must have knowledge of the comprehensive grammar, but you must be the knowledge of the basic grammar, like tenses, how to use is, am, are, what is the has, had, have, and what is the modal verbs, what are the pronouns, nouns. So you must have a basic information, like if you're school going kid, okay, that's reason every school teaches grammar. It is very important to start the English. So if you are a beginner, then first learn the basic grammar. After that, what you need to do, next step will be, you need to start learning this English. You need to start speaking the English. You don't need to speak the full sentences, full speeches. You need to learn small phrases, small sentences, like I am going to the market, my name is Tej Moria, I live in Wadala, and I am going to eat food, I am going to eat dinner, and like this, I am going to read books. So you need to make small sentences, phrases. You can take the help from Google, or you can take the help from the YouTube. So you can find the daily use English phrases, and you need to say one phrase at least 50 times so that you can get memorized, you do not forget. Okay, so it is very important to practice only in English language. If you want to become fluent, the practice is going to help you. Whatever grammar you know, whatever vocabulary you know, that is not going to be helpful. Okay, what is the most important for you guys to practice? So start speaking from day one. Don't get afraid that you will make mistakes, you will not get the right word, you will struggle. That's completely fine, it happens with everyone. So the first thing you need to do, first get to know about the basic grammar, then start speaking the English, small phrases. At the same time, what you need to do, the third step, you need to start adding your vocab. So vocab is also one of the crucial part in learning English. As good as vocab you have, even you do not know the good grammars, but you can become fluent, because no one check your grammars while speaking, because everyone makes mistakes while speaking. No one talks 100% correct grammar. Even the native people like US people and UK people, they also make mistakes. They also make grammatical mistakes while speaking, because grammar is not much important in spoken English. What is our purpose? To tell the people what I am trying to say, express your thoughts, and the next person should be able to understand what you actually trying to say. So this is the purpose of the communication. When you are going to the academic English for any government exams or any SSC exams, then the grammar comes, the main part. They are not going to check your spoken English, they're going to check your grammatical skills. So but that is the different aspects of the English language. Here we want to learn how to speak English fluently. So first step, I told you, you get to know about the basic grammar. Second, you need to start speaking English. Start with the small sentences, small phrases. Third, you need to start working on your vocabulary. Add up your vocab. You must have a good knowledge around 5 to 6,000 English words. Okay. And the fourth one, what I'm going to suggest to you guys, it is very important, that is a listening. You need to start listening from day one. Okay. So you can start listening from day one with 5 minutes, and try to increase it and take it as much as you can do. Like make it 2 hours, 3 hours, or maybe 4 hours. Start watching web series, movies in English if you're having issue while understanding what they are saying, because their accent is very different. If you're watching US movies or UK based any web series, so their accent is very different from Indian accent, so it becomes very difficult to understand what they actually trying to say. Then you can turn on subtitle and try to watch one web series at least 2 and 3 times. Then you will have a better idea how they speak, how they pronounce the word, what is their way of speaking, and how they stress on the sentence and annotation. All these skills which will make your English later attractive and beautiful. So you need to start listening English from day one. This is a very important, and start with 5 minutes and take it, increase it the upcoming months, maybe 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours. So this is the 4 tips you need to follow if you want to start in 2025, if you want to become fluent in English. So if I would be starting in this year 2025, I definitely would be going with these 4 tips, because I have followed these tips, which is why I'm able to talk to you fluently. Okay. So you guys please share, like, subscribe this channel, because I'm going to help you in this channel. I'll help you to become a fluent in English. So please do share, because I need your support, guys. I cannot take this channel far further without your support. Please share, subscribe. I will bring a best content for you in this channel. I'll try my best to help you to learn the English as soon as possible, guys. So this is for today. Okay, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much for watching till here. Bye bye. Take care.